These soft panniers have been on 5 different BDRs. I've taken them on multiple 5,000 mile plus round trips from my home here in Iowa to Canada to Idaho on separate trips. They've been to the East Coast, through the tail of the dragon in North Carolina. They've been everywhere with me, 75,000 miles and going strong. I can't say enough good things about these. Now, I have made some trailside repairs to them. They've been down with me a number of times. The thing that went wrong with them were the plastic little D-rings on the inside here that connect your straps to your frame. Those plastic D-rings do wear out over time, and they did malfunction and break, but not because, you know, anything that was wrong with the product. It was simply my being hard on them going down on a mountainside road and dragging them across rocks and all kinds of different things. So they've held up remarkably well. I did use a very small key ring, easily able to thread that through the stitched loop on the inside and then back through the strap. Got myself back on the road very, very quickly just by simply taking off the key ring from the key that I had on my bike. So a little trailside repair for any of you guys, if you run into that issue with a broken D-ring on any of your products in the future, you can thread a key ring through an already threaded strap. Kind of works in place of, you know, like a tie strap if you've got those, or even a zip tie. Like if you have a metal zip tie, that also works. I used 2 zip ties when I ran out of a key ring, when the other one broke, and then put a key ring through it. So these have been through the ringer. They're absolutely fantastic. I love them. I've cleaned them up. I'm gonna try to get another couple years and another BDR out of them this year before I upgrade to a new set of Giant Loop Mototrek panniers. That's kind of in the future, but no sense in getting ahead of myself and getting rid of these while they still have a lot of life left in them. I adore them. I think if you're looking for a quality set of luggage, check out the Siskiyou Panniers. Reason being, I think that I've had this pair, this set specifically, on 4 different motorcycles, and that to me is the best part about them. When you buy a set of hard luggage and a rack, it's kind of tied to the bike that you're buying, the rack specifically. These will work with the rack, like I have on my 1200 GS Rally here. They'll work without a rack. I've run it on a number of different bikes, and you can protect the heat shield from the muffler. They work just fine. It's a beautiful setup. Highly recommend.